Oh, good morning. Last night we went and picked up some more donor parts for Bert. That's my 64 Welding rig, but it's going to be a four-wheel drive with the Cummins. And so we went out last night and we picked up this dirty old bugger. So there's my transmission and transfer case. And back over here, there's my diffs. So now it's just a matter of mating it all together. Little Terrajet that I was working on. I gotta put a little motor in this thing. That's a neat little bugger. Yeah, so today I think we gotta strip this truck and get that cab and motor out. We gotta get the transmission out of this. And we gotta get the diffs out of the other truck. So that's our morning. Okay guys, we'll see you later.
Minty.
And the teardown begins.
Okay,
Up and out.
We'll go around the truck that way, I guess. Put it on the floor back here.
this is not as heavy as a truck that I use. Put it on the frame. We'll get out of the way. Maybe.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hopefully.
Oh, this fucking girl can be fucking.
Oh, we gotta go around the tires or what?
No, I'm fucking hung up on my side. Yeah.
Go back in. Sweet. Beautiful.
Boy.
Yeah. Okay, ready to lift the cab. Let's see what happens. You want to watch your side?
Yeah. Oh, hey, there's like
two wires.
Oh, yeah. Snippy.
Cut it with the zip. Now that it's up out of the way enough, just nip it and then we'll be done. Okay. You good?
I didn't nip it yet.
Oh.
Nothing else.
Are we gonna catch on the frame horn? Gonna catch?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're off right now, so we should be able to roll the truck.
No, we're lifting the truck.
Well, are we all coming out a bit?
Yeah. A little more, Rick. A little more. Okay.
Well, we should be able to roll this one way or another, just miss the horn. Oh, maybe we can come back. No, that thing's getting. I'm worried about those arms squeezing too far.
If you roll it forward, we'll be sure you get that shit.
Yeah, we just gotta take this front.
Scoot you forward to fucking 6 inches.
Yeah. That's enough, eh? I think.
I'd say.
Okay, I'm gonna come up there. I'm gonna come up.
like, yeah, the fucking,
Steering box is trying to.
stay with the fucking bottom. Oh, there's a bar.
Oh, did you make it past?
What?
Did you just get it past?
Yeah, that's all it needs.
Sweet.
Oh, hey, that was a cab mount.
What?
Oh, fucking cab rubber fucked off.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big gain in the life of a project.
Okay, now I'll fucking get the frame the fuck out of here. Yeah. Oh wow, we're lucky. Just about fucking hooked the fender with the light.
Oh, now we're close. Dude, victory!
Fucking nice. Winning.
Okay. Okay, time to lift the engine.
Just fucking run a little bit of a bit.
Good, right, keep going.
What's that? What are you stuck on?
It's off or what?
Okay. That's out.
Okay.
Get the fucking fucking just like that. Fucking right. Okay, drop tire and out.
Fuck yeah, buddy!
Fuck yeah. Fuck what? What was that? We got out here fuck 10:30, it's only 3.
That's awesome.
Stripped down to a bare frame already.
Yeah.